What's going on, guys? Sammy here. Today I'm going to show you how to spin for school mackerel off the navigational beacons using my NSSevo3 and side imaging transducer. Hope you enjoy. Now for the sounder enthusiasts, you do use your sounding equipment a fair bit. Despite the fact that you can see the poles without your sounder, what we're looking for when we go past is the big clouds of bait that the mackerel sit around. You'll actually see the mackerel arcs sitting around where the bait is. So what I like to do is drive past the pole with SideScan, and you'll see the pole pop up when you go past it. There it is out the side there. And I can see there's a cloud of bait on the right hand side. What you then want to do is target your drift, so you kind of put your lure in that spot. That doesn't mean they won't travel to eat a lure. These guys are pretty mobile, they're pretty aggressive, so if they see your lure and it's 5 meters away, chances are they'll come racing up to grab it. But that's a good tip for you if you are looking for a pole to start on. Look for one that's got plenty of bait on it. Use your sounder, use your SideScan, and it'll greatly improve your catches. Well, have a look at that, guys. There's a school of bait sitting about 15 meters off the pole here out in the open. So that is prime for a spinning. Get that lure down, see if there's anything sitting with them. They're sitting right hard on the bottom, so they are maybe getting forced down by Mackie swimming above them, or could be any number of things. But there's bait here, and that's the main thing. Oh yes, yes! Got him! Got him! Oh, he's a nice one too. Oh, just a little minor steering adjustment. Oh, here he comes. Pulling into the boat, sort of. That is a cracking schoolie. That is an absolute horse schoolie. Have a go at that guy. Find the bait, you'll find the mackies, and I can see the mackerel sitting above it right there. Hopefully you guys can pick that up. I'll take a screenshot and put that in the video. Easy there, mate, easy. There we go, hook's out. Now he can join his mates in the ice.